I'm Brittany with WTI, and Jazzy and I are so excited to show off her new room by Zenply. Jazzy, go to your room. Go in. This is a wonderful little sanctuary that Jazzy can go into. Before, she had her crate that's a lot like this but bigger, and then she had another smaller room that had an enclosed top. And once the summer hit, we were worried about her getting overheated while she slept. So we decided to get a smaller version of the crate that she already had, and she absolutely loves it. We love the color. It goes along with my niece's bedroom, which is where her room is, and it's just a nice, comfortable place for her to sleep in. Because it has the nice mesh that you can attach and remove, it allows the air at night to cool her off. It's got the little door with the Velcro in the front that you can hook up top. It is also very easy to fold up. It comes with a carry case so that if you are staying in a hotel or she needs to stay at someone's house while you are traveling, it's an easy thing to bring and make sure she's comfortable no matter where she is. Feature that is really nice is that if you do have to set this up on tile floor, it has actual little suction cups on the bottom around the border of it, which allows you to be able to push it down and give it that little bit more secure feeling. I just think it's a great thing to do for your furry little friend, and that is our point of view.